In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Slack huddles. If you want to walk a teammate through code, review a deployment issue, or present a mockup without leaving Slack, huddles make that really simple. You can start or join a live huddle directly from a channel or direct message, then share either your full desktop or just one app window depending on what you want others to see. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or use Slack in a secure web browser. From there, go to the conversation where you want to collaborate. This can be a team channel or a direct message. Once you're in the right place, look to the top right corner of the conversation window and click the headphones icon to start a huddle. If a huddle is already active, clicking there will let you join it instead. Once you're live inside the huddle, look toward the bottom left area of the Slack window for the huddle control panel. This is where you'll find the main call controls. Find the monitor-shaped icon labeled Share Screen and click it. As soon as you do that, a system pop-up will appear asking what you want to share. In that pop-up, you'll usually see options across the top that let you choose how broad or narrow your screen share should be. If you select screens, you'll share your entire desktop. This is useful if you plan to switch between different tools like a code editor, terminal, browser, or design file. If you select Windows, you can share just one application window instead. That's often the better choice if you want to keep notifications, background apps, or unrelated files hidden. After choosing the tab you want, click the specific screen, thumbnail, or application window you want to broadcast. Then click the share button, or in some cases, allow, depending on your system. That final confirmation gives Slack permission to begin streaming your visuals into the huddle. Once sharing starts, look for a colored border around the screen or window you selected. That border is a helpful visual confirmation that your content is now being shared live. It's always a good idea to quickly double check what's on screen before continuing, especially if you're presenting in a busy workspace. When you're done, move back to the floating huddle controls and click Stop Sharing Screen to end the screen broadcast safely. As a final tip, you can also use keyboard shortcuts for speed. Control plus Shift plus H on Windows, or CMD plus Shift plus H on Mac to join or leave a huddle, and Control plus Shift plus E on Windows, or CMD plus Shift plus E on Mac to toggle screen sharing while you're already in the call. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.